Terraform Labs founder Do Kwon's extradition to South Korea has been delayed until Montenegro Supreme Court verifies prosecutor claims in the case. The Supreme Court of Montenegro has delayed the extradition of Do Kwon, the embattled founder of Terraform Labs, to South Korea. This decision came in response to a request for the protection of legality filed by the Supreme State Prosecutor's Office Vijesti on August 2, 2024. The Vijesti's request seeks to delay the enforcement of earlier decisions by both the High Court in Podgorica and the Court of Appeal. These courts had earlier approved Do Kwon's extradition to his home country, South Korea. The Supreme Court panel, led by Judge Seka Piletić, determined that the extradition would be postponed until the court can review the Vijesti's request. Moreover, the decision was influenced by concerns raised about potential legal violations in the process leading to the initial rulings. Hence, the Vijesti requested that the Supreme Court evaluate whether the extradition decisions adhered to Montenegrin law and international treaties. They also requested an evaluation whether the extradition should proceed to South Korea rather than the United States, according Montenegro news outlet Vijesti. Hence, the Supreme Court's decision effectively halted the immediate execution of the extradition. This puts the plans of the Montenegrin Police Directorate and Ministry of Justice on hold. This move also adds another layer of complexity to an already convoluted legal saga that has seen multiple court decisions and revisions over the past several months. Arguments by Prosecutor's Office. The Supreme State Prosecutor's Office submitted the request following a ruling by the Court of Appeal that upheld the High Court's decision to extradite Do Kwon to South Korea. The Vijesti argued that there were potential breaches of the law on international legal assistance in criminal matters. Hence, they warranted a thorough review by the highest court in the crypto fraud case. The Vijesti statement explained, on August 2, 2024, the Supreme State Prosecutor's Office filed a request for protection of legality before the Supreme Court of Montenegro against the decision of the High Court in Podgorica and the Court of Appeal in the aforementioned case, due to the violation of the law on international legal assistance in criminal matters. Moreover, the Vijesti further requested that the Supreme Court temporarily halt the enforcement of these decisions. The prosecutor's office has requested a final ruling on the legality of the extradition process, which could determine the enforcement. After that decision was overturned, a subsequent ruling allowed for extradition to South Korea. This places the final decision in the hands of Montenegro's Minister of Justice. Do Kwon, who has been in custody in Montenegro since March 2023, is accused of orchestrating a $40 billion crypto fraud. Terraform Labs and its associated cryptocurrency, Terra by